Welcome back. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, we're going to be doing eye makeup and face makeup for this look right here. I know I have my glasses on purpose, but yeah, so I went ahead and recreated MannyMua's look throughout this video because I deadass didn't know what I was gonna do for the eye look at least. So yeah, this is what I came up with. Well, this is what I copied, not came up with. Vanessa. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this recreation of MannyMua's makeup. And if you're digging what you're seeing, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so welcome back. I realize I look a little crazy, but that's just because your girl only has her eyebrows on. Just gonna go ahead, jump in and do my foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my MAC Prep and Prime. My bad. And then for foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300 with my Morphe E44. And then on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and mix it in with Milani's Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in the shade Sand. That's a lot. Usually I just put it on top of each other. And then I go in. And this might not even be my color. That's why I try to mix it in a little bit. By the way, I got a new, ring light. There you go. And the setting on this can go so low, which I appreciate so much because my other one, it could go low, just not as low as this one. Like, I have this on really low, which is great because then my foundation doesn't look so fucking white. Oh my god, my eyebrows. This is embarrassing. Okay, so what I do next after that, and I know some people are gonna be like, why are you doing that? Because I want to. I go in with Urban Decay's all-nighter spray, and this isn't always, this is just sometimes when I feel like I want extra protection for that foundation. So yeah, it's just so that obviously this is to keep your makeup intact. I just want to make sure that none of my shit is moving around when I'm doing stuff. Not that kind of stuff. And right after that, I go in with my Peach Perfect mattifying powder. And I just go right here in the laugh lines. Because if I don't, I promise you, I crease so fucking crazy there that I end up looking like I'm fucking 40. I let that bake there for about a minute. And then once I've let it bake for a minute, I always go in and just set the rest of my face. Once I set my face, go ahead and just blend it out. That way I don't have too much of a white face going on. And then I just blend this in just so that the powder does not go to waste. So for contouring, I always go in with my Kat Von D light plus shade palette contour thing. I go in with these two right here. And I know you guys are probably thinking, this lady didn't conceal under her eyes. I know. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't always conceal under my eyes, especially when I go in with like a heavy smoky eye. It's like, what's the point of concealing this part right here? Because I feel like that's the only part that gets a little bit dark when I'm going to put eyeshadow there anyways. No? Maybe only me, because sometimes some girls' darkness is all the way down here, but thankfully I don't have that, so sometimes I just don't conceal. And then just doing the temples of my forehead. I'm going to go in with Nicole Guerrero's highlighting palette. I'm going to go in with 143 with my Morphe M510. Just going to hit the cheek real quick. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm going to set the face. And then using that same Morphe brush, I'm going to go in with Kat Von D's Metal Crush highlighting palette. So I'm going to go in with this peachy shade right here. Just going to swirl it in there. Ooh, baby. Okay. So now that I'm finished with that, we're gonna go ahead and go in on the eyes. Okay, so going in this video, I was like, what am I gonna do? I know I'm gonna do my face, but how am I gonna beat the face? So I remember that MannyMua did this really like, come here bitch type of look. And I think I want to recreate it. So this is the look that I'm going to go for. I found an oldie but a goodie, one of the original Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. So to start off, I'm going to go in with Soft Peach right here. This is just going to be my transition shade. Then from there, I'm gonna go with Morocco. I'm just go lightly, very lightly on the crease, or a little bit above the crease. I don't know, because this one doesn't have a crease, but this one does. Is that weird? Yes. I'll go ahead and blend it out a little bit. This has the perfect brown shade right there. And for this shade, I'm not gonna go ahead and put it all the way to my outer crease. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put it a little bit close to there, but not all the way, if that makes sense. What? Let me go ahead and blend this out a little bit. And use some tape for this part because I know using black, my eyes are gonna look crazy. Using Noor, however you pronounce this, we're going in with this black right here. Oh my god, look how black that is. Scared, scared. I forgot how pigmented this black was. I didn't dig into this palette. I'm gonna try to go in with a little bit of that orange again and just put it on the top of the crease. And going in with pink champagne, use this one right here to cut the eyelid a little bit. Get this nice little circle, half circle thing going here. Okay, so once I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Metallic. Perfect. It's coming out gold. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish the other eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some glitter glue by Too Faced. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the black again. And then go in with a little bit of that metallic gold yellow shade that I went in with earlier. Just put it right next to it. So I'm really liking how this is coming out. And going with Morocco again. And now I'm just going to go ahead and use this to smoke out that under eye. Alright, so now it's time for the black lipstick and do my hair and change my outfit. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and I'm definitely feeling like I'm giving you emo girl vibes here. But yeah, this is my attempt to recreate MannyMua's look. I mean, look, I even got the little camo going on. Wait. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't... Oh my god, this is bugging me. Is this why the email people go like this? Every few seconds? I can't do that. I can't. So if you guys want to be a little bit more updated with me on what usually goes on in my life and just who I'm about in general, then definitely go ahead and follow me on Snapchat. Just screenshot this and then you can add it from there. But yeah, my Instagram and everything else will be in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next one.
With a Mecca affair, so anywhere you wanna go, I'll take you there.